So comfort Nkandas, you dey say odogwu can't give you baby things, your baby things. Say odogwu, the baby things wey odogwu buy say na your own. Say me can't give you back. You begin to shout up and down for inside compound. Odogwu should come and give you baby things. The last time I checked, when odogwu they bring those things come out where you can't hear their voice, you come out from inside your room, the side where they give you as a gate woman. As you come out for there, they didn't even allow you to touch that baby things. And a dogu did not tell you that those baby things here belong to you. But before I go into this matter, make I greet you. I greet you according to your time. Is your girl again, Linda this TV. If you just come across my video for the first time, make you do me well by hitting the following button. Make you share this video for me. Make you not forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Like I always say, your opinion matters a lot to me. So, comfort, you are talking about baby things. I want to ask you, how many months be your belly? How many months your belly don't be where they talk about baby things? So maybe they can't give you baby things. Odogwu should come and give you baby things. Maybe they want Odogwu. Odogwu should come and give you baby things. Odogwu wants to carry your baby things and give to a strange woman. Hey, God. Your husband try. Whether my ex-husband I can't call him up because I don't know if you people have returned the bride price we put on top of your head. I don't know that I don't return them. So your ex-husband try. So now you believe this one. Now like this you just be. So all those few months you are just pretending. They pretend so that Dogu go say, comfort don't change. I will just marry comfort. You were pretending to enter inside as a madam. So not knowing say now the comfort where you still be, now you still remain, nothing change come up for where you dey. The comfort the Nkandas daughter, like father, like daughter, where we know. Now she still be, now you still be. Hey! Pretender at the highest order. When some Odogwu fans they don't write for comment section, comfort is a changed person. Now thank God though, comfort has realized his mistake. Comfort is a changed person. No, say you didn't change. You are only pretending to be a changed person. You sabi pretend for Africa, sha. Thank God so Odogwu not for put. Thank God so Odogwu not for put. When Odogwu carry that baby things come, when they bring the baby things come out, they didn't even call you. Odogwu not say go and call comfort or he shout your name, say comfort come out. No, now you can't assume say now you get them because you feel say no let you get belle for Odogwu and him. You will not assume say now you get her, you can't be happy. Odogwu not mind you. When you even embrace Odogwu, say Odogwu not even care. You say me stand your own. It not even send you. Say me you stand your own. You won't carry the baby to say that side. So Odogwu say no. Say now the main building like baby things one day, not be the inside your gates woman apartment, not be there you go stay. Then you begin shout up and that. Odogwu should come and give you the baby things. He had the pencil say, now you still get time and make you go inside. Now you there's some Odogwu can't give you baby things. Now they ask you, how many months is your pregnancy? Pregnancy will you ever have they show self? Yeah, so people say they're not wide now where they're not going to even know whether you get belle. If not people will not they quick understand woman, they're not going to even know say you get belle. Pregnancy, you still have up to 7 months or 6 months plus to deliver. Then you declare for baby things will be so don't go by way not be your own. Madam, hey, madam, old woman will not just get shame at all. You and your father are the same kind of person. The same kind of person. That is why you see your life. You know why I just stay happy. See where you can't end it. Now your husband I go he go even laugh you pass. Say see where it can't end. At the end of the place, then and the person where with the papa they fight up and down. Now you go carry give when he take out carry belle. When you can't take carry belle, you no get shame. You no get shame at all. You see carry camera, you dey shout. So that is why you need access to their page. So that you go feed a post. You feed a shout, you feed a post. Don't go and build yourself. Don't go and build your page. They're there. So that you feel no amount where they come Odogwu page. You feel see am. So don't go and don't hey, this comfort. Sense far from you. As you just old rich, you don't have sense. You don't have sense. Okay, if your pregnancy don't reach to deliver, now Odogwu not go buy baby things for you again. Now this one now where you buy for a woman, now you won't collect. If that baby teeth that you're on that very day, odogwu for not tell you make you carry her enter house. If I tell you make you carry her enter house. But baby teeth is not your own. You see obviously say person wey get baby teeth go soon born. The chance may go bring your baby teeth for you. May go bring your baby teeth for you. Don't even if you be person wey get shame, you go suffer sit down one place say God see me I can't end myself. You go so for they blame yourself. You say as I can't end myself. Me we fed the husband house. Me we be say my husband, they respect me. Je. I get my husband house. I get my respect. See where I can't end. But yet you are not the one doing the video, posting it because one shame not dey your face. Guys, make una share this video. I don't know our Facebook handle. I for the tag and for all this video. Share this video when you come across this video. Comfort. Go buy shame for market. So that you go get shame. And still go buy brain because you not get one. You not get one. Small pikin self get sense pass you. At this juncture, you are not even supposed to be even saying anything. At this juncture, you are supposed to be, see I mean, where? Now frustration, they worry you. Frustration is inside. You don't date the prepper. You don't get frustrated. So all your plan, where you plan before to be the madam of the house, it not work again. Because that was your thoughts, that was your belief. Odogwu don't have anybody. So when you get belle for her, you born for her, you go come marry, you will not be the mother of the house. You they drive any car where you want. You they control your boys there. You they speak. If Odogwu talk, you say you go call your papa come. So you are the carry Odogwu money they give your papa. That was your plan. But at the end of the day now, God can't disappoint you. You not see your life. Fully packaged disappointment. Now you can't get now. Fully packaged disappointment. So guys, share this video. I still remain your humble girl Nkandas TV. Thank you.